How to download TikTok back if you deleted it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok back if you have deleted it. So let's get started. You go to your app store and search for TikTok like I have searched it over here. Like let me just type down TikTok and press search. The app will not be available because this app is not available in United States. So I'll show you a way by which you can get the application if you have deleted it. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to search for any VPN. So just type down VPN and you can download any VPN over here. So I have downloaded this one. You can download any of the VPNs, whichever you want over here. And once you have downloaded the VPN, what you're going to do is change the region of your app store. So just open your app store and click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, you're going to click on your account over here. And after that, you'll be redirected to the account settings. So you're going to click on country/region. And then you gotta click on change country or region. After that, over here you can see that right now I'm in United States, so that's why it's selected United States, but you can select any other region, such as I'm gonna select Canada over here. So just click on Canada, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you gotta click on agree over here, and after that you gotta fill in this information. So just click on none over here and then scroll down and fill in the billing address. You can fill any billing address that you have. So I'm just going to type down a billing address real quick. After typing in this information, you can just click on next. Once done with that, you can go and open your VPN, and here you got to select the Canada region. Now just click on this fastest location, and once you click on that, you got to select Canada from the list. Now over here, scroll down and select Canada. So I'm just going to find Canada, and here is Canada. So just click on Canada and connect yourself to Canada. Now because over here I have changed the location of my app store to Canada, but my Wi-Fi is still from United States. That's why I've turned on VPN so that my connection can be from Canada as well. And then you can go back to your app store and search for TikTok again, and here you can see that TikTok is available in App Store right now, and you will be able to install that. Now here is TikTok, and you can just install that and enjoy using that. So that was basically how you can download TikTok back if you deleted it. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.